Morning, everyone. How are you doing today? This is Mr. Samir, and today we're going to talk about dividing by powers of 10. Last week we discussed multiplication by power of 10, yes? Now we're discussing division. So let's see, it would be as easy as the previous one. So let's start right away. And please make sure that your microphones are all turned muted, right? And let's start. Okay, so let's see here. Let's take a look at the multiplication, and we have a quick review on that. So let's see here a quick question on multiplication. We have here, sorry. So we have here 23.95 times 10 to the power of 4. And I'm choosing Ahmed Marie to help me with this one. Ahmed?
Yes. Yes, Master.
Can you help me with this one, please?
Yes.
All right, go ahead.
Move decimal to the right 2 places and
Right.
then add 2 more zeros.
Okay, so because we have here 4, we need to move decimal point 4 places, but we don't have 4 digits here. So we're gonna move it only 2 spaces or 2 places, and then we add 2 zeros. So the answer would be 2, 3,
9500. 239500.
All right, and how can we read this number?
239,500.
Thank you very much. All right, that was the first question to answer today. It's just a quick review on multiplication. Now let's see about another example quickly. I'll choose a different person to give me an answer for another example here. I'm choosing someone from 5B who is only quiet and not talking. All right. From 5B, I'm choosing Abdullah Hadi. Are you ready there?
Yes.
Abdullah Hadi. All
Mr.
right, Abdullah. Let's see.
But I can't see the screen.
Really?
Yes.
Do you have your copybook in front of you?
Now I saw it.
Okay, great. Let's see here. We have, I'll give you this one, 1.932 times 10 to the power of 2. This would be equal to?
We put the decimal before the 2.
Before the 2 here?
No.
What should I write? Give me the answer. What should I write here, Abdullah?
We put
we move decimal point, the decimal point here. Where to move it? To the left or to the right?
the right.
Okay, how many spaces? How many
2.
digits?
2 spaces.
1, 2. So the answer would be
193.2.
excellent job. Excellent job. Thank you very much.
Mr.
That was
can I
multiplication,
answer?
yes? Who asked that? Whoever asked that actually will be expelled from the class now. Would you like that to happen, mister? No, so please don't repeat it, all right? Okay, now let's see here from our lesson for today is about division, All right. So division is actually the opposite of multiplication. So our objective today is divide decimals and whole numbers by powers of 10. So let's see here. Our first example is this. We have here, let's use the highlighter. Okay, so we have here the example. So here we have 1,350 divided by 1,000. Bases, no decimal digits, right? So we have here how many zeros we're dividing by? 3 zeros. So we're moving the decimal point, which is here, but we don't see it, we don't write it, and we're moving it to the right or left? To the left, because we have division here. For division, we move to the left. 1, 2, 3. Right? That's why we have the answer of, it can be this, like this, or we can add a 0, but 0 to the right here after decimal point would be like nothing, right? So the answer would be 1.35 or 1.350. Okay, moving on to the next example here. And we're having here, let's see here. Let's see this one. So we have 35 divided by 10. So we're moving the decimal point to the left. See, 1 digit to the left. So from here to here. So this would be, as explained, 3.5. All right, let's go to the practice way, and we're answering, of course, as you can see here, we're answering the even ones from 2 to 26.
Mr. I have a question. If it is 3.5 divided by 10, how should we do it?
Go left. If it's that, yes? If it's 3.5 divided by 10?
Yes.
3.5 divided by 10 is to the power of what? How many zeros do we have here? Power of 1, but we don't write 1, okay?
Yes, we don't write 1, we put 10.
For division, do we go left or right?
Left.
Left, so go here. So the answer would be point,
3. Point, 3.
35. If we have nothing here, what does it mean? It means 0. Yeah. If it's nothing here, it means it's 0, right? We can add as many zeros as we want here. What's this? Mute your microphone, please.
So there is a big echo.
Yeah, the echo is from your microphone because you're not using your headset. All right, let's move on to the practice, please. And I'm choosing someone from 5C. I'm starting with Adnan from 5C. You're gonna give me number 2. Here we have, how many zeros are there? This is an easy one, of course, Adnan. How many zeros? Adnan, are you there?
Yes, mister.
Yes, give me the answer for this one, please.
Sorry. 2, there's 2 zeros.
2 zeros.
And the answer is 0.0.
We're not there. Yeah, the quotient is the answer, yes? So the word quotient means what? What's the answer for this division? So how to answer this? We have here 2 zeros. So how can we divide 8.3?
We move the decimal to the
Let's write it
the
down
left.
here. Let's write it down here and answer it together. Divide by
Answer
100.
0.0883.
Yes. So we have to move it to the left 2 digits. Yes. But we have only 1 digit here. What should we do? We add another 0. Another 0 here. So it would be here. So this one.
We
So
put the
if it's so we put another 0.
Mr.
Yes, dear.
You write 8.2.
0.82.
Sorry. It's 8.3.
Mr.
So the answer is 0.083. Right?
Mr.
So
But
this
they
is the
said
quotient.
only 2 zeros. You wrote 3 zeros. I mean, there was after the decimal point. Only it has to be two places.
Yes, Mr. Huh? That's
Sorry,
correct,
can you
Mr. Mit, correct.
look here? We have the decimal point here, yes? We need to move it 2 digits. 1.
Yes. Mister, you didn't make anything wrong.
Of
You didn't
course.
make something wrong.
Okay, thank you very much for supporting me. Yeah, I'm just trying to explain to them why did I do it? Why did I do it this way? Okay, I'll erase this and answer it again. No worries at all. Just listen, please, and be careful. Alrighty. Let's see here. We have 8.3 divided by 100, and this is Adnan helping me with this one, right? Adnan, are you still there?
Yes, Mister.
No. All right. So we need to
No,
move
I'm
it.
here, Mister.
Okay, fine. We need to move the decimal point to the left. How many digits?
2.
2. So the answer would be like this. We go 1 and then 2. And put the decimal point here, yes?
Okay.
So we have nothing here. What should we put here?
0.
A 0. And then we have nothing here before decimal points. Can we put the decimal point like this? And then 0, 8, 3?
No, we need to put another 0 before the.
Excellent. Before the decimal point. Exactly. That's what we do. So this is how we answer this one. Thank you very much, Adnan, for that. Moving back to 5A. You're welcome. All right. 5A, and someone has helped me from 5A.
Mister. Mister, can I ask you a question?
Sure, Anas. Anas is talking or what? For whom?
No, Omar Al-Bahi from 5C.
Omar. Okay, go ahead, Omar.
What does the exponent mean? What is exponent?
I'll go to that right away. Just a moment, please. Exponent is another word for power. We discussed this actually in the order of operations. Paired math, parentheses, exponents. So the power here. Let's see this one. Actually, we discussed this here. This is the exponent.
Okay.
So the exponent here is 4.
Okay.
All right. So let's see here number 4. Describe how to divide a number by power of 10. So in order to divide, we move the decimal point to the left. Move.
Mister, there is no number 4. There is 1, 2. Okay, خلاص. I didn't see.
How come there's no number 4? Like 1, 2, 3, and then 5 right away? Move decimal point. To the left. All right? Okay, so this is the answer for number 4. I gave it to you. And we're moving on to number 6, coming from someone from 5A. Let's see, Abdullah Walid. Are you there? Ready to answer?
Yes, Mister.
All righty. So let's see here. 483 divided by 10. So we have here 1 0. So we're gonna...
So it will be 48.3.
Excellent. So we're moving decimal point to the left one space, one digit. So the answer would be 48.3. Excellent job, Abdullah. All right. Next one coming from 5B.
Thank you.
You're welcome. 5B, and this one is coming from Abdurrahman Nidal. Ready? Number 8. Abdurrahman, use your headset, please. We're dividing by 100, so we're moving decimal point how many digits to the left?
Okay.
So what should we do here, Abdurrahman? We're moving decimal point 2 spaces to the left. Yes, 1, 2. So what's the answer?
Mister, I don't understand. Can you repeat the question?
We're answering number 8. Can you see my screen?
Yes.
Okay, so we're having here, we're doing number 8 here. So 52 divided by 100 equal what? Abdurrahman, you have lots of noise in the background. Basically, all you need to do is to move the decimal point, which is here, 2 digits to the left. So the answer would be 0.52. Of course, it's like that, but we have to add a 0 before the decimal point. Okay?
0.2.
Yes, exactly. Thank you very much. All righty, next one coming from someone from 5C. Quickly. Ahmad Abdul Qadir. Ahmad
Yes,
Abdul Qadir.
Mr. Here. Yes,
Number
Mr.
10. Number 10.
Yes, 8,270 divided 10 power 3.
So 10 to the power of 3. So we're moving this one point 3 digits backwards. 1, 2, 3. So the answer would be
0.8.
no.
8.2 207.
All right, thank you very much. Number 12 coming from 5A, and I'm choosing from 5A. Abdulaziz Rashid. Are you there? Abdulaziz? Abdulaziz, are you there? Abdulaziz, I can hear that you're having your microphone on. Please say something. I cannot hear you, Abdulaziz. I'm sorry. All right, Abdul Malik.
Yes, Mister.
Yes, dear. Can you give me number 12, please?
Okay, number 12. Because
We're dividing by
100 divided by 320, we will use the amount of zeros to move the decimal at its place. We'll move the decimal because the first 0, it will be after 2 and after 0 and before 2. The first move.
Okay.
After 0 before 2. But then because we still have another 0, we'll move it. It will be after 2 but before 3. So it will be 3.20.
Excellent job. Well done, Abdul Malik.
Mr. Do I mute now?
Yes, thank you very much. Thank you very much, dear. All right. Next one coming. Faris Ayham, mute your microphone, please. If you're gonna speak, guys, you need to use your headsets, and you cannot talk without permission. I will choose you I'm going in turns, so please stick to that, and I will choose you eventually. I have in the class now 57 students. They usually go up to 60 something.
Can I ask a question?
Abdulaziz, you're talking now? Or Hamza?
Hamza. Me.
Hamza, yes, of course. Ask me whatever you want. Abdulaziz,
Number
can you
5.
fix your microphone? I'll get back to you. In number 5?
In number 12.
In number 12, yeah.
Yeah.
Mhm.
Do you need to add the 0 to the right?
It's not necessary. Thank you very much for pinpointing that. I was about to mention that. It can be also written like this, 3.2. This is also the same way. You can add
Because
as many zeros or remove the zeros as long as there are no numbers after them.
Because I wrote 0, 3.2.
It's fine. It's fine. Both of them are correct. Thank you very much, Hamza, for pointing that. Okay, next one coming from 5B, and I'm choosing actually from 5B. I'm choosing Bilal. Did you fix your microphone? Bilal Ramzi.
Mr. Can I answer?
Yes, mister.
Okay, Bilal. Can you help me with number 14, please? We have 2.7 divided by 10. So we're moving the decimal point to the left or the right? We have 1 0 here, so we're moving decimal point 1 digit to the left or right, yeah, Bilal?
Right.
No, to the left, because we're dividing here. To the right if we're multiplying, to the left if we're dividing. So we're moving it to the left here. So we have here 0.27. Can we leave it like this or we add 0 here?
We add 0.
Excellent. Excellent job, Bilal. Well done. Well done, dear. All right, so the answer is 0.27 hundredths. Thank you very much for that. And we're moving on to
Mister, I
fives.
got a question. Can I ask you?
Sure, Khalid. But please
How?
don't speak without permission. Go ahead.
How
Yes, go
in
ahead.
number 14? How in number 14? 0.27 is hundredths. How?
Okay. How many digits do we have after the decimal point here? 1, 2. So
2.
this is called, yeah. Actually, this is actually from the very far behind. We learned about digits after decimal point. So if we're having a number like this, 3, 2, 5, 7. Here we have a decimal point, 9, 4, for example. So what's the name of this digit? Khalid, this question for you.
Ones. No.
No, Habibi, this is
It
the
is
ones.
hundredths in left of the decimal. 100.
This is tens,
Yeah, and that's hundredths.
and this is hundreds. Right, what about this one? What's the name of this digit?
Ones.
Tenth. And this is?
Yeah, and this is hundredths. And
Yes.
the 4 is thousandths.
Right.
Yeah, understood. Thank you.
You're welcome. Actually, this is from something we learned very long ago. Yeah, Khalid, you have to revise that. All right. All right. Number 16 coming from 5C. And I'm choosing this time Ali Ahmed. Ali Ahmed. Ali, are you there? No.
Yes, yes. Yes.
Yes. Okay. Okay, I can see that Ali is not speaking, but I hear some point. Okay, Ali, are you there?
Yes.
Okay, very good. Go ahead. So we're doing number 16 here. We have here 2300 divided by 10 to the power of 2. So we're moving this point how many spaces to the left, of course.
Twice.
Ali? Twice, yeah. 2 digits, 2 spaces, 1, 2. And we put it here. So this would be, what's the answer here?
23.
Really? We're not multiplying, Ali. We're dividing. So we're going to the left, not to the right. Ali, where is your left hand?
In my left arm.
Very good. So go this direction. Go to the left, not to the right, okay? Move the decimal point to the left.
Like 0, 0, 23.
Yes. Yeah, but we have to put the decimal point first. So we have decimal point and then 0, 0, 23. Yeah? Do we leave it like this, or we put one more 0 before the decimal point? We put one more 0 here.
Yeah, one more.
Yes. So the answer would be 0.0023. This number, can you tell me what's the name of this number according to what I explained here? So how many digits do we have here? After the decimal point, we have 4 digits. What's this? So if we have another number here, let's assume it's 5. So what's the number called? 10,000. Right? So 23 out of 10,000. All right, next one coming from 5A. This time I'm choosing Al-Walid Samir. Are you there? Al-Walid, are you there?
Doesn't work.
His mic doesn't work. Ammar, can you help me with number 18? Ammar Yasser. Okay. Amr Ihab.
Yes, Mister.
All right, Amr Ihab. Let's see here, number 18. We
Number
have
18.
4 hundredths divided by 10. So we are having here 1, 0. So we're moving this one point. How many digits to the left?
1.
Yeah, so the answer would be
0. 0.004.
all right. Sorry. All right. So the answer is 4 thousandths. All right. Next one coming from 5B. Omar, I see your message. Please give me a chance. I'll get to you. All right. 5B. Coming from Anas Ashraf. Are you there? Anas. Faris Ayham.
Yes, Mister.
Faris, go ahead. We're doing number 20 here. We have here 12,564,000 divided by 10,000. So we have here 4 zeros. So we're moving this one point backwards 4 digits. So the answer would be
answer 0
so
12 no, no, no.
we're moving
1
this point from here 1 2 3 and 4.
4
Right, so give me the numbers and then we read them later. So we
1
have here
2
1
2 1 and 2 5 6
Yep.
point 4
All right.
0 0 0
Do
or we
need to
don't
write?
put it because it's
Yes,
equal.
exactly. We can put the zeros or not. So these are optional. So we can just have them or cancel them. Both of them would be correct. So this is also equal to, let's write it again, 1,256. Thank you very much.
Mr. I'm Ans Ashraf.
Hmm?
I'm here.
Yeah, but you
You're
haven't been ready.
I had a
Anas.
problem with the mic.
Okay, no
I
worries.
didn't
I'll get back
want
to
to
you.
mute.
That's okay, no worries. I'll get back to you, no worries.
Okay.
Now we're going to 5D, and I'm choosing Basim Mazid Saleh. Anas,
Yes,
you mute your microphone again. Mute your microphone again, please. Yeah, Anas. We're doing number 22.
Yes.
And this one is I'm sorry. Okay, so number 22 here is actually a comparison. I'll give you the first part of it to answer, and then we choose a different person to answer the second part. So here we have 80,561,000 divided by 10 to the power of 5. So we have here the exponent is 5. So what would be the quotient? The answer for this division is, Basim?
185.61.
185. How did you do it? We move decimal point from here 5 spaces or 5 places. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So the answer would be 185.61. Okay, now I'm choosing someone from 5A. This would be Omar. Omar Hisham. Okay, Omar Hisham, please give me the second part of it.
Yes.
Okay. How can we answer the second part, Omar?
Oh, now we are starting to multiply by 561,000 multiplied by 10 to the power of 2.
Right.
0. We will 10 to the power of 2 equals 100.
Correct. So how can we answer this one?
So we'll have to divide 100. Well, it will not be enough, but I will tell you the answer. It's 0.18,000.
Omar, this question is a bit tricky because actually you need to take a look at it again and think twice before you give me this answer.
I'm trying to think.
Guys, yes, guys, give him a chance to think because actually it's a bit tricky. Look carefully, Omar, because actually you're going in the wrong.
All I know is that the other one is the one on the left is greater.
We're not asking about that now. We're asking
That's all
only
I
for
know.
the answer for this.
I'm not sure about the answer.
Why? We have to find the answer in order to compare
Mister,
them.
can I say it?
No, thank you very much. Don't say it. Omar, you have here multiplication, not division. You see, this is the tricky part. The first part or all the lesson was basically about division. But this one is about multiplication. This is the tricky part. That's why you have to be very careful when you're dealing with mathematics. It can be a very simple symbol change that will change the whole situation. So you have to be very careful. In multiplication, Omar, what should we do with the decimal point? We move to the left or the right? We move it to the right, Omar, yes? Omar?
Yes.
So we're moving the decimal point 2 spaces to the right, yes? Not the left. This is the tricky part in this question. So what's the answer for this one? We move the decimal point from here between the 8 and 5, 2 spaces to the right, 2 digits to the right. So the answer would be 1. Omar?
1.
1856.1.
1,000. 1,000. 18,000.
No. It's 1,856.1, as you said. Okay, now which one is bigger? The left or the right? Which one is greater?
Let me see.
Yes, take your time.
They're both close to equal, but still, the left is greater.
Omar, they have the same digits, but not the same.
Or let's say the right. The right, I meant.
Yes, the right one is the greater one
I'm too
because
complicated with the 2 sides, the right and the left. I get complicated. I do the opposite.
look here, Omar. How many
That's
digits
the
do we have
problem.
here? On the left side, how many digits do we have before the decimal point?
We
1,
have
2, yeah. How many digits here? Can you read me this number?
There are 4 digits on the right, and on the left is just 3 digits.
Yeah, can you read me the numbers on the left and right? Read me the numbers there.
On the left is 185.61 hundredths.
Okay. On
While
the right?
on the right, 1,856.1.
1/10. Okay, so which is bigger, 185 or 1,856?
1,856.1.
Of course. So this is 1,000 and this is 100. Which is bigger, 100 or 1,000? Of course, 1,000.
1,000.
Excellent job. Thank you very much, Omar. All right, let's see the next one, 24, question 24. And this one is a word problem or problem solving. I was about to choose you, Anas, but because you talked, what can I do now? Okay. Actually, I'm choosing Anas for this because he's a good boy and he will listen. Yes. Okay, Anas, help me with this one, please. I'd like you to tell me how can we do this one. Did you read it?
No, not yet.
Okay, let's read it together and we'll see about what's required in this question. David purchases seeds to plant in his garden. Guys, it's a very good time for you guys now as you're staying at home to find yourselves a bit of a hobby or some kind of activity. Maybe planting or gardening would be a good activity for you. So If you're interested, if you have a small yard, or you have a balcony, or somewhere around your flat where you can plant some seeds or plant some flowers, whatever, this can be a good time for that. It's actually the springtime, so it's very good time for you to plant some plants. Right, let's see here. David here purchased seeds, right? So he buys 100 pepper seeds. So from the pepper, he bought 100, and from the tomato, he bought 1,000, right? 100 for pepper and 1,000 for tomatoes. Which type of seeds, so here we're comparing more expensive, right? So which is more expensive? So we have the tomatoes for $21.24 and the pepper for $3.
Mr. The pepper.
Just
The pepper
wait,
is more
we're not done. How can we do that? Yeah, and as we have first of all, we have to do what? We have to find the price for each seed, right? How can we do that? How many seeds did he buy for the tomatoes?
1,000.
1,000. So we have to divide this number. We have to divide this number by
1,000.
1,000.
0.02124. 0.02124.
All right. And the pepper, this one is coming from a different person. And from 5C, I'm choosing. Thank you, Anas.
I mute my mic.
Yeah, please. Hamza Muhammad Yahya from 5C. Hamza.
Yes, mister.
Yes, Hamza. Help me with this one, please.
Okay.
So we're having here 3.21 divided by 100, which is number of seeds he bought for pepper seeds. So 0.321.
We will move the decimal 2 times to the left. It will be equal to 0.0321.
0.0321. So which number is bigger? The 0.0321 or the 0.02124?
The tomatoes.
How come? Look here, yeah. Hamza. We have here 0 and 0. We have 0 and 0, and then 3 and 2. Which is bigger? The 3, of course.
It's bigger than the 2.
Of course. So the pepper is more expensive. We're comparing here two numbers. These two numbers, okay? Let's write them down. Let's write them down next to each other. Here we have 0.02124. And the other number is 0.0321. Now let's compare them. We have here 0 and 0. Point and point. 0 and 0. 2 and 3. So which is bigger? The 3, of course.
Yes.
So the pepper is more expensive, right?
Right.
All right. Thank you very much, Hamza, for that. I'm choosing a different person to help me with number 26. From 5A, I'm choosing Yazan. Ready to answer, Yazan? Yazan and Ra'id? No. Osama? Guys, are you asleep or what? Muhammad, Osama, Mustafa? Who said yes, Miss?
Yes, Mister.
Mustafa and Muhammad Osama. Okay, I'd like you both to help me with this one. Number 26. I'll read it for you and then we'll discuss together.
Okay.
The water level of a lake is being analyzed. So we're having a lake, like a small water body.
Yeah.
Is being analyzed during a drought. Drought means that there is less rain or like no rain.
Okay.
During a drought over 100 days study. So the level of the water is decreasing, right? Over 100 days. The water level decreases 21. You see here the decrease is 21.7 inches after 100 days, right? It decreases the same amount each day. So the same amount each day. How much does the water level decreases each day?
Mr. Osama's mic doesn't work. That's why he didn't answer.
No worries. So thank you very much. Yeah, I have heard that. So basically, we're doing what? We're having here 21.7 divided by how many days? 100-day study. Okay, so first of all, I'd like Mustafa to help me with this part. What shall we do, Mustafa?
500.
Yes, how can we do that? Move decimal point to the left or right?
Left.
Mustafa, move the decimal point to the right or the left?
Right.
No, to the right is for multiplication. We're dividing now.
Left.
Left. So how to move it to the left, Mustafa? How many digits? How many zeros do we have here? 2. How can we do it? 1, 2. So what should we write here? I'm sorry, I couldn't hear you, Mustafa. I cannot hear you still. Okay, no worries. Muhammad,
Yes.
what's the answer for this one?
Put 0.
Yes. 0.
Point.
0. 0 point what? 217. That's it.
Yes.
And what's the unit for that? We don't forget the units.
Yes. Inches.
Excellent job. Okay, let's answer more questions. I will choose someone from 5B to answer me here. Kamal.
Mister, will we do them orally or will we write them in the copybook or something?
Actually, use your copybook in order to take notes with me, all right? And you have the video and you can do your homework on your own, right? The homework for today is page 215, all of it. So the homework is page 215. Let's write this down.
Mister, in the workbook?
Of course.
Mister will go out.
or no?
No. We still have lots of time. Actually, we still have 10 minutes. And of course, don't forget about my math. Every day you have to practice on my math. And actually, the assignments on my math are due the 16th. So this would be like 4 days from today. So you have to practice every day.
Mister,
Right?
when I finish my math, does it send to you or what?
Yes, of course.
Yeah.
Everything you do on your own, I see it right away. So I get a result, your answers, and I see how you answered and how many times did you try. So everything you do, I can see on the website.
I got a
So-
question, Mister.
Yes, dear Khalid, go ahead.
The math EOT will come.
The what?
Math EOT, end of term exam, end of
Yeah,
term exam of math.
Yeah, what about it?
Will come or not?
What do you
It will
mean?
be like the
We will
math
have.
exam.
Will we have a test or not? Will we have an exam
Yeah.
or not?
Yeah.
Mister,
It will
Well,
online, yeah, Mister.
we cannot tell about that now. We're not talking about that now. Just study what you have to
Mister-
study, and don't think about the exams now. Don't think about the exams. Yes.
Mister,
Yes, dear.
where can I find the website of my math or the link?
Well, actually, it should be on the portal, and it was sent to you actually a very long time ago.
Okay, thank you.
So you should have the
Can you
homework
send it again,
is in
Mister?
the workbook course. It's written on the screen. You should see it on the screen. Homework
Mister, the
page.
page-
Okay, can you
Homework
send
page
it again?
200. Which one?
My math.
Actually, you need to contact the administration because they have to give you a username and password for it. So the homework for today is page 215, all of it. They have to give you a username and password so you can
Yeah.
access your account with your
Mister.
name.
It's already sent to us in the portal.
Yes, it's on your portal. Yeah. Who's talking here? Yeah, Muhammad. Yes, thank you very much for that.
Mr. Ahmed Samir,
So it's already in your portal. Yes, dear. Abdul Malik.
I have a question. Now do we leave or no? It's past
No,
5
we're
minutes.
still.
It's an hour.
No, actually,
okay,
Mister,
sorry.
we started
Mister-
at 10:10. We're finishing the class at 11:10, so we still have like 7 minutes yet left.
Mister, when I
Right.
enter my math, they tell me you have no my math as homework.
Yes, now there is
the
no
homework-
homework.
By the way, even if you didn't have homework, you can answer or practice the topics that we discussed so far, or topics from previous years, or even new topics. So anything you want to choose, you will be able to choose actually. So try and practice every day, whether they are something that we discussed this year or previous years, something that you need to learn, a new thing, or something from the previous lessons. It's very important for you to practice every day, right? Listen here, guys. We're going to answer more questions from the same lesson, from the same exercise, and see who can help me with that. Of course, they will be getting extra marks for that. Let's see here. I'm choosing from 5A. Adam Muhammad. Adam. Adam
Yes, ma'am.
Muhammad, are you there?
Should I write
Yes.
what will
Yeah, can you help me with the number 5 here?
Number 5. Okay.
Yes. Mm-hmm.
Okay, Mister. We number 1, number 5. Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Number 4.
Yes, look here. We have 341 divided by 10. So we have here
Yes.
1 0. So we move the decimal
Yes.
point how many spaces? We have decimal point here, but you don't see it. You need the special magical glasses to
Yes.
see it. Can you put on your magical glasses for
Yes.
mathematics? Okay. Now you can see the point here. Can you see it?
Yes. Yes.
We're moving this decimal point how many spaces to the left? How many zeros do we have here?
Mr. What's the answer for 24?
1. I'm sorry, you shouldn't give me the answer, please, because someone is answering already. So please don't talk. So it's 1 0. Yes, yeah, Adam? So we're moving this one point here,
Yeah,
one
yes,
digit to the
Mr.
left. So what's the answer for that? Can you give me the answer?
Okay. 3.
Uh-huh.
4.
Mm-hmm.
0.
Don't forget the point. No, point. This
Yes.
one point and then
Yes.
1. Excellent job,
One.
Adam. Very well. Well done. Well done. Excellent job. Thank you very much.
Mr. What is the answer for 24?
The answer for 24 is a comparison, and actually pepper seeds are more expensive than tomato seeds because it's this. So this is the tomatoes, and this is the pepper. Can you see it? Yeah. Omar?
Yes.
Can you see it on your screen?
Yes.
Perfect. Did you get it or not?
Yes.
Okay, very good. Very, very good. All right, I'm choosing someone from 5B here to help me with the number 7. And this time I'm choosing Kemal. Why didn't you help me? Kemal, no. Okay, can you help me with number 7 here?
Yes, of course.
All right, thank you very much, dear. All right, we have here 235 divided by 10 to the power of 2. So what should we do about this one?
We will skip the point.
Mm-hmm.
Means 2.35.
Okay, so let's write it down. So we're moving the decimal point 2 spaces to the left, yeah? 1, 2. So it would be 2.35. Excellent. Excellent job. Thank you very much.
Welcome.
Well done. Well done, Kemal. I'm choosing someone from 5C here. Ibrahim Khalil. Ibrahim Khalil?
Yes, mister.
Yes, dear. Can you help me with the next one? Number 9?
Yes.
Mm-hmm. Go ahead.
Okay.
It was my turn.
We have 2 zeros. And
Yes.
we will move the decimal point to the left.
Yes, 1, 2. So what should we write here? Yeah.
We will put a 0 in front.
Mm-hmm. Here.
Then a decimal point.
Mm-hmm.
Then 1.
What about this 0? And this one. We put 0 here and 0 here.
Finished. Mr. The period finished.
Yes, okay. So, yeah, I know that. Thank you very much. Okay, let me make sure that we have the attendance here ready.
مستر أحمد
Mr. Hamdi.
بعد إذنك بس أقول لهم حاجة قبل ما تاخد الاتندنس.
اتفضل.
شباب
مستر
ما في سيشن انجليش بعد ده ان شاء الله. عندكم بكره الساعه 2 لان مستر احمد عنده
عارفين يا مستر.
مشكلة في النت.
النت.
ماشي، يلا مع السلامه.
لا عندي يعني النهارده هناخد حصة زيادة ولا لا 3 حصص بس؟
لا 3. بكره ان شاء الله بقى هيعوضها لكم الساعه 2.
يعني
طيب،
بكرة
شكرا يا مستر.
مستر
بكرة
يا
ناخد
مستر حمدي،
ايوه
يعني ساعة كاملة هيكون فري يعني.
ايوه الساعه اللي جايه.
يا الله.
ماشي يا
مبسوط
خالد.
انت يا خالد؟
يعني 1 اور كده 1 اور.
ايوه يا محمد.
لا،
ايوه يا
ساعة
محمد.
ونص عشان في
هناخد
بريك بعد
ساعة
كده.
بريك.
اور كمان في
نص
30
ساعة.
minutes.
ساعة يا سلام.
مستر you take attendance?
Yes, I'm taking the attendance now. So actually, we still have you have an hour left. So if you'd like to ask me anything before we go, it's up to you. If you're done here, you can go.
Actually, Mr. we have an hour and 30 minutes.
Okay,
Thank
perfect.
you, Mr. Bye.
Mister,
You're
can I
welcome.
go now?
Have a lovely day.
Mister, we can leave now?
Thank you,
You
Mister.
can leave. Yes, of course. We're done.
Bye bye.
Bye-bye.
Thank you, Mr.
Take good care, guys.
Mister, I'm here, okay? I'm here. Thank you, Mister.